First, remove the cover of the inverter. Then take out the PV connection cable. Now connect the PV array cable. You can connect either the positive or the negative. Be careful not to reverse the polarity. Here is PV plus, and here is PV. The red wire is the positive. The black wire is the negative. Insert the cable terminal and tighten the screw. This side is for the AC load. Red is the positive, black is the negative. A CL is the positive, a CN is the negative. PE is for grounding. Again, make sure not to reverse the polarity. Next, connect the AC input. That means the grid power connection. The brown wire is a CL. The blue wire is a CN. The yellow-green wire is the ground wire. Then install the power cable, connecting to the inverter. Red is positive and black is negative. Unscrew the nut on the inverter, and use the socket wrench to tighten it. Tighten the positive terminal. Use the 8-core network cable provided. Plug it directly into the inverter port. It should go into the BMS network port. After connecting all the inverter cables, put the cover back on, and tighten the screws to secure it. Next, connect the battery to the inverter. When connecting the battery to the inverter, you must connect the battery negative first. That corresponds to the inverter's battery negative terminal. When performing this step, make sure the battery is turned off. The inverter must also be turned off. Tighten it securely, then put the cover back on. Now connect the positive to the inverter as well. That corresponds to the inverter's battery positive, and to the battery's positive terminal. Next, connect the communication cable. It should go into the BMS port on the inverter. This communication cable port, connect it to the CAN port on the battery. In cases like this, if the inverter shows an error, with the red light flashing, and it displays error code 56. That means communication has failed. If the network cable is faulty, that will also cause issues. Now plug the network cable back in. It will take a few seconds to respond. Once normal, the inverter will show an output voltage of around 230 volts. That means communication is successful. Another situation is, if the protocol is not selected correctly, it will also display error code 56. Here you can see the remaining capacity and full charge capacity. Below is the single string voltage, a specific voltage reading. The maximum and minimum values are also shown, and it displays the voltage difference.